Still stuck with belly fat, even though you're being good? Skipping meals, chugging black coffee, eating low-fat, low-joy plates, and feeling like a zombie by 10 p.m. Here's the problem. You're not failing. You're starving. And your brain is freaking out. When you stop eating, your brain doesn't think, oh, time to look fit. It thinks we are dying. To save you, it locks the doors to your fat stores. It holds on to every calorie like a hoarder. This is why you feel tired, hungry, and why the scale doesn't move. You're in the misery loop. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, shoots up. And cortisol loves storing fat right around your belly. By 10 p.m., your willpower snaps. You aren't just hungry, your biology is demanding fuel. Then comes the guilt. You think you need more discipline, but you actually just need a better plan. What if I told you that eating more of the right things is the secret to burning that belly fat? We're going to master 4 simple rules: protein, fats, carbs, and sugar. No starvation required. Rule number 1, protein first. Think of protein as the heavy-duty construction crew for your body. Your body actually burns calories just to digest it. It's called the thermic effect of food. Protein makes you feel full longer, so you aren't searching for snacks 30 minutes later. When you eat enough protein, your brain relaxes. It stops the panic and starts the burning. Rule number 2, don't fear the fat. For decades, we were told low fat is the key, but that was a trap. Your body needs healthy fats to build hormones. Without them, your system runs dry and cranky. Healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, tell your body that plenty of energy is available. Fat is slow-burning fuel. It keeps you full for hours, preventing those blood sugar crashes. When your body feels safe with healthy fats coming in, it finally stops hoarding and starts releasing. Now, rule number 3, smart carbs. Carbs aren't the villain, but they need to be the right kind. Refined carbs, white bread, sugary cereals, and pastries are like a flash fire. They burn fast and crash hard. This triggers an insulin spike. And insulin is the storage hormone. It tells your body to hide energy in fat cells. High insulin literally locks your fat away. You can't burn it if your insulin is always high. Smart carbs, like sweet potatoes, berries, and beans, digest slowly. They give you a steady stream of power. Low insulin is the secret key. When insulin stays low, the fat-burning doors stay open. Rule number 4, watch the hidden sugar, especially the liquid kind. It's an insulin bomb. It's not just soda. It's in your dressings, your BBQ sauce, and even your healthy yogurt. Switching to water or unsweetened tea stops that insulin roller coaster instantly. You now have the 4 keys to control your metabolism. But how do you actually start without feeling overwhelmed? Don't try to change your whole life overnight. That's how you fail. Start by fixing just 1 meal today. Think of your plate like a construction site. We need the right materials in the right order. Step 1, start with a palm-sized portion of protein. This is your foundation. It stops the hunger before it starts. Step 2, fill half that plate with fiber. Veggies are the volume that tricks your stomach into feeling full. Step 3, add a thumb-sized amount of healthy fat. This is the satiety signal for your brain. Step 4, a small fist of smart carbs. These are your slow batteries that power you through the afternoon. Look at that. You aren't starving, you're fueling, and your body is about to thank you. Inside, your brain is sending all clear signals. It releases the grip on your fat stores. The fat cells finally open up. They release that stored energy because they know more fuel is coming. When you eat like this, the 10 p.m. cravings simply disappear. Your biology is finally on your side. Remember, we aren't looking for perfection. We're looking for consistency. Just one meal at a time. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated superfoods. Stick to the basics. Eggs, spinach, chicken, beans. Real food doesn't need a label because everyone knows what it is. It's not about the number on the scale. It's about how you feel when you look in the mirror. You've got the rules, you've got the blueprint. Now, which meal are you going to fix first? The first few days are easy, but what happens when the newness wears off and your old habits start whispering? Your brain has old neural paths for stress eating. We aren't deleting them, we're just building new ones. Social situations can be tricky, but remember, you don't have to be perfect to be successful. If you have a slice of pizza, enjoy it. One meal doesn't ruin your progress. The starvation mindset does. Sometimes the scale stops moving for a week. This is normal. Your body is busy rearranging things. You're losing inches, building muscle, and healing your gut. The scale doesn't tell the whole story. Look for non-scale victories. Better sleep, more energy, clothes fitting better. Those are the real wins. Bonus tip: sleep is your secret weapon. When you're tired, your hunger hormones go crazy. A good night's rest resets your hunger hormones. You'll wake up with more willpower and less cravings. Don't go it alone. Share your goals with a friend or a community. Accountability changes everything. Ask yourself, why do you want this? To play with your kids? To feel confident again? That why is your fuel. Remember, it took time to gain the weight. Give your body the time it needs to heal. And always remember, I'm a doodle doctor, not your doctor. Consult a professional before making big changes. You've got this. Join our community for more science-backed doodle guides. Let's do this together. Your journey is just beginning. See you in the next one. Let's recap. Stop starving and start fueling. Here are your 4 golden rules for a flat belly and a happy brain. 1. Protein first. Feed your muscles and burn calories just by digesting. Palm-sized, every meal. 2. Eat healthy fats. Tell your brain you're safe and stop the cravings. Thumb-sized, that's the key. 3. Choose smart carbs. Go for fiber-rich fuels that burn slow. A small fist size is all you need. 4. Cut hidden sugars. Watch out for those liquid insulin bombs in drinks and sauces. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to fix one meal today. That's your only mission. Trust the biology. Your body wants to be healthy. It just needs the right signals. Which meal are you going to fix first? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Tell us in the comments. If this doodle guide helped you,